Alright, you guys gotta see this. This is pretty cool. Whatever this is that attempted to nonchalantly fly over my property and just look like a random normal aircraft, I caught slipping. I definitely caught it slipping. And I've thought about this before, because a lot of times I know that they're not regular aircrafts, and then they'll fly overhead and they'll even make jet sounds. And I thought about, like, watch them as far as I could watch them, but this one didn't go very far before it started doing some sneaky stuff. Alright, so you saw it go overhead. Now watch this little bugger. The lights totally change on it. It kind of slows down. This little guy. No, I couldn't believe it. It just, I don't know if it thought it was slick or it was like out of sight enough where it could start doing some nefarious looking stuff. But thankfully, not much gets by me. I tend to notice a lot of things. But look at this guy. He starts dipping down and goes into the wooded area in my neighbor's yard, and right across from the neighbor's house there's like a wooded area. And we've seen this before with the lightning orbs kind of just creeping through the woods after the lightning struck. And you see like it starts disappearing, and I'm pretty sure it's in the trees. And then you've got this other one up here doing some stuff, and some other lights every once in a while popping up. The first vessel will reemerge in the same area, and you'll see it kind of, meandering through the woods here, through the treetops, just doing its own thing. Like, these things don't seem to care too much. Random lights kind of flickering around and moving around in a not so normal manner, I guess. Weird things everywhere, like. But this is what I'm doing. This is to share it with y'all. Secure Team, and Third Phase of Moon. I've sent them all kinds of things like this. I've got videos that I haven't exactly seen at other places, at other sites, at other channels, and I wish that they would play this stuff, because I've sent both of them, many channels, pretty cool footage, but I think that they've got to pretty much. They can only put out so many things. Like, I don't know, it's like a controlled release, or for some reason it's controlled. All the information is controlled. I don't know. But if you would share this or just show other people the stuff, that the technology that's out there, whether it's on planet, off planet, in planet, I don't know, but this is obvious surveillance, some kind of drones, some kind of crafts that kind of just do their own things at night. And I'm pretty convinced that anywhere you are, if you keep an eye out, you'll see stuff like this. But people tend to write any lights off in the skies as a normal aircraft, and I don't take anyone, I don't believe anything. I don't trust anything, basically. I gotta find out my own information. This is Fact Camp. I gotta spread the facts and let everybody know what the hell is really going on, because I don't like being lied to by, whether it be government, any agencies. I don't like any lies. We gotta get facts out there. We gotta show truth. You gotta comment so I know that I'm doing a decent job and you guys are, this is well received. Gotta hit that like button so other people are more likely to see this, and just, I don't know, just stay with the facts. Show other people. Help me decipher what the crap is going on in our world. And keep on keeping on. So, Hope y'all like this. Make sure that whatever you do, hit that like button. Have a good morning. Fact Camp out.